Welcome to another installment of What You Need to Know About Connections. Today we will talk about Invite, a new capability that now comes standard with HCL Connections 6.5. Here I am in Connections, and I just started to build a community called the Sales Campaign General, and I want to start inviting people, but not only people from within my organization. I also want to invite Frank Adams, who is from an outside agency, an external user, who should help me with putting some content together. So what I'll do is I'll go up here to my person icon and I click on Invite Guest. As soon as I do that, a window will pop up and I can now type in Frank's name. So here's Frank Adams. His email address will be entered here. And I can also pick a language in which the email that will be sent to him will be sent out. But note that up here I also have an import CSV capability. And this is really important because if you want to invite a number of people, it might not be very practical to do that one by one, right? Maybe you already have your 10, 50, 100 people in a CSV file or in an Excel spreadsheet, etc. And if you save that as a CSV file, you can simply point to it, then upload the CSV file, and all those people will automatically add it to the list here to which this email will be sent out. So this can be a huge time saver. But let's stay on this screen here where we invite Frank individually. As I click the Send Invitation button, it confirms that the email has been sent to Frank. I can then decide to invite another user or close out this dialog and move on with my day. So let's switch over to Frank Adams' inbox. In there, he will find the email from John inviting him to collaborate in Connections. By simply clicking on Let's Connect, Frank will then be forwarded to a screen where he can type in his password and change it, and will then be forwarded into the Connections environment with whatever communities have been shared with him and not more. So this concludes another installment of What You Need to Know About Connections. This time we talked about Invite. I hope this was useful. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.